How to fix reMarkable 2 stuck on infinite boot loop. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If your reMarkable 2 is stuck in an endless startup loop, don't panic. There are a few things you can try to bring it back to life. First, force it to power off completely. If the screen is frozen on the starting or booting screen, hold down the power button for about 30 seconds until the display turns blank. This shuts it down entirely and clears any stuck boot process. Next, use the original charging cable and adapter that came with the device. Plug it in and leave it charging for at least an hour. Don't try to turn it on during this time. It's important to let the battery build up enough power for a clean startup. After that, press the power button once to turn it on. If it still loops, try booting it while plugged into power. Sometimes a steady power source can help it lead properly. If it's still looping, then try a deep reboot. Hold down both the power button and the round front button together for around 20 seconds, then release. This performs a hard reset that can clear small firmware issues. If that doesn't help, connect your tablet to your computer using a USB-C cable and open the reMarkable desktop app. If the app recognizes your device, try updating or reinstalling the firmware. This often fixes any corrupted system files that cause the startup loop. If none of these steps work, you may need to factory reset your tablet, but only if you can briefly access the settings screen and sync your notes first, since this will erase everything. And finally, if your device refuses to boot at all, contact reMarkable support, explain what's happening, and they can guide you through recovery options or arrange a repair if the problem turns out to be hardware related. So that's all for now. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.